Morning.
Morning, Minister.
Welcome. How are you doing?
It's almost like a familiar place here.
Yeah, please.
So,
Have a seat. Once again, welcome. I really want to meet with you. I have opportunities to meet with some of your colleagues in past few weeks. Talk with about some important, always challenging political situation, because we have. I can say we have done in the budget. You know that half of our budget went to the north, so. I was very satisfied and pleased that we concluded one house in 1.5 days.
yeah.
When we calculate.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
that's good.
which is great result. And beside that, we build additional some houses in the north and some other places. So in total, we build.